why two people born into the same family can lead completely different lives? Why does one person become wealthy while another struggles? Why do some people succeed with little effort while others work tirelessly without seeing the same results? Can the positions of the sun, moon, and planets at the moment of birth really reveal anything about our lives? These are questions that humanity has asked for thousands of years. In this series, we will explore one of the world's oldest systems of knowledge, Indian astrology, known as Jyotisha. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has read astrology for years, this course is designed to build your understanding step by step from the very basics to advanced predictive techniques. Before we begin, let us clear one common misconception. Many people think astrology is simply about reading today's horoscope in a newspaper. That is not Jyotisha. Jyotisha is a vast and systematic science developed by ancient Indian sages over many centuries. It combines astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, psychology, symbolism, and spirituality. The word Jyotisha comes from Sanskrit. Jyoti means light, Isha means divine or Lord. Together, Jyotisha means the divine light or the science of light. It is called the science of light because it is believed to illuminate the hidden patterns of life. Rather than creating destiny, Jyotisha attempts to reveal it. Indian astrology studies the relationship between celestial bodies and human life. It primarily examines the Sun, the Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. These are collectively called the Navagrahas or the nine planetary influences. When a person is born, the positions of these planets are recorded in what is called a birth chart or Janma Kundali. This chart serves as a symbolic map of the sky at the exact moment of birth. From this map, astrologers analyze many aspects of life, including personality, health, education, career, marriage, children, wealth, spiritual growth, challenges, opportunities. It is important to understand that astrology does not claim the planets physically cause these events. Rather, the planets are treated as indicators or symbolic markers that reflect underlying karmic patterns. Why is it called the science of light? Every planet shines because of light. The sun produces light, the moon reflects sunlight, the visible planets appear bright in the night sky. Ancient sages observed these heavenly lights with great care over many generations. They noticed repeating patterns between celestial moments and events on earth. Just as a clock does not create time but displays it, the planets are understood to display the timing of karmic experiences rather than producing them. This is one of the foundational ideas of Jyotisha. The three branches of Jyotisha: Siddhanta. This is the mathematical and astronomical branch. It deals with planetary calculations, eclipses, calendars, and astronomical observations. Without Siddhanta, accurate horoscope calculations would not be possible. Hora. Hora is predictive astrology. It studies individual birth charts to understand life events. Most people who consult astrologers are interacting with the Hora branch. Samhita. Samhita deals with astrology applied to society and the natural world. It includes topics such as weather prediction, agriculture, earthquakes, national events, political changes, architecture, temple construction. One of the most important ideas in Indian astrology is karma. According to the Vedic worldview, every action has consequences. These consequences may appear immediately, later in life, or even across future births. The birth chart is viewed as a symbolic record of the karmic tendencies present at birth. Think of it as the syllabus of your life. Just as two students receive different examination papers based on their courses, each person is born with a unique karmic blueprint. Astrology attempts to read that blueprint. However, knowing the blueprint does not eliminate free will. Just as knowing tomorrow's weather allows you to carry an umbrella, understanding planetary periods can help you prepare for opportunities and challenges. Many people believe astrology says everything is predetermined. That is not the traditional understanding. Indian astrology recognizes both destiny and human effort. Ancient texts repeatedly emphasize that effort. Wisdom, discipline, prayer, charity, and righteous living influence how karmic tendencies unfold. A seed may contain the potential to become a tree, but its growth depends on soil, water, sunlight, and care. Similarly, the birth chart shows potential, not an unchangeable future. What you will learn in this course? In this complete course, we will study the zodiac signs, the 9 planets, the 27 nakshatras, the 12 houses, the ascendant, planetary strengths, planetary friendships, yogas, divisional charts, dashas, planetary transits, muhurta, panchanga, marriage astrology, career astrology, financial astrology, medical astrology, spiritual astrology, predictive techniques, and traditional remedies. Each topic will be explained from the beginning with practical examples. No prior knowledge is required. Today, we learned that Jyotisha is much more than horoscope predictions. It is a traditional Indian discipline that combines astronomy, mathematics, symbolism, philosophy, and the study of karma. We discussed the meaning of the word Jyotisha, the role of the Navagrahas, the 3 branches of astrology, and the relationship between astrology and karma. In the next lesson, we will explore the fascinating history of Indian astrology, how it developed, who the great sages were, and how this ancient knowledge has been preserved for thousands of years. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone interested in learning authentic Indian astrology from the ground up. Until next time, goodbye.